In this video, I will show you how to fix a missing YouTube sidebar in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome on my desktop. I click on the address bar at the top, type in youtube.com, and press enter to open YouTube. Once the homepage loads, I select a video to test out the layout and see how YouTube is displaying on my screen. I click on a video to open it up. The video starts loading, so I skip the preview ad once again and let the main content play. I click on the screen to pause and play the video, then scroll down to examine the surrounding page options and layout details. Since the sidebar is still missing or not displaying correctly, I need to check my browser extension settings. I move my mouse up to the top right corner of Chrome and click on the three vertical dots menu. From the drop-down list, I navigate down and select Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. Here on the Extensions page, I can see all active browser extensions. I find the active extension toggle switch and click on it to disable it, ensuring no third-party extensions are interfering with YouTube's display layout. Now, I switch back to the YouTube tab to see if that fixed the issue. I go back to the top right menu, click on the three dots again, and this time I select Settings. In the Settings menu on the left side, I click on Privacy and Security. Under the Privacy and Security section, I click on Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up menu appears with several options. I make sure my options are selected and click on the Delete Data button at the bottom right. Once the browsing data is cleared, a notification appears at the bottom confirming that the data has been deleted. Clear data refreshed my YouTube layout, and the missing sidebar issue is now completely fixed. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.